So let's differentiate sine of 2 sine inverse of x. So first we'll apply the derivative of the sine function. We know that derivative of sine x, so that's equals to cosine of x. So that means sine of 2 sine inverse of x. So that's going to give us cosine of 2 sine inverse of x multiplied to, so we have to apply the chain rule. So that will be derivative of the argument of the sine function. So that is 2 times sine inverse of x. Now we know that 2 is a constant, so we can pull it out. So we can rewrite this as, now we use the derivative of the inverse sine function. So let's write it down. So derivative of the inverse sine function, also referred to as the arc sine function. So that will be equals to 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x squared. So that means our final value will be equals to 2 times cosine of 2 times sine inverse of x. And we have derivative of the sine inverse function. So that will be 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x squared. So this is the derivative of the given function.